Welcome. We are the YouTube channel A Body Like Bruce. Today we bring you Bruce Lee, The Final Game of Death documentary that we've come across online. Unfortunately we can't play it in its entirety. It's actually 3 hours and 45 minutes or so long, as we may incur for ourselves a copy strike or copyright strike. So trust us as we tell you we've watched it in full. Again, it's about 3 hours and 45 minutes long or more, but it's fantastic. Perhaps we could bring you the transcript of the documentary if we could find it online. So we suggest, if you haven't seen it, go and watch it as we have. We've just spent the last 3 to 4 hours watching it in its entirety, and we're just so wowed by it. It's really informative. It's really, really good. It's not some other clone of Bruce Lee or wannabe. It's the real Bruce Lee, and the documentary is very, very well done. Go watch it. We'll provide the link below this particular video, and if you like it, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, tell us all about it in the comments below this video, and we'll get back to you on those as soon as possible. We're really interested in what you thought about this particular documentary and what you thought of it. So add your comments below this video and we'll get back to you on those as soon as possible. And then don't forget to share this video with all your family and friends, neighbours and other ardent, die-hard Bruce Lee fans that you know personally. Thank you for taking the time to watch this particular video on the Final Game of Death starring Bruce Lee. You are much appreciated.